This right here is a big jar of what we call here in the studio paint poops. The reason why is because they kind of look like the poop emoji. Like, I can't even, it's just so perfect. Like, they're just little blobs of paint, right? This is the paint within, I actually just took the Lucas Pastos and just squirted it out in a couple different lines. I have titanium white, permanent rose, and mauve. Now I actually squirted this out into 3 different lines onto my, this is actually plastic wrap. So, just like you would with icing a cake, I have grabbed a tip and a piping bag. Now,
which you now cannot use for baking ever again.
Oh yeah, don't, once you sacrifice this to the painting gods, like this is just now part of your painting arsenal. You cannot make food with this. I know that because I wrote acrylics on it. In case you have a reusable one label. I just roll this up and now I'm taking the ends and I'm twisting them in opposite directions to where it looks like a little sausage casing. And then I'm just gonna snip one end off pretty close to the end. Again, scissors are for arting now. You cannot use that for food. Now, carefully, without squeezing a bunch of paint out, I'm going to stick this into my piping bag. And unfortunately, I don't think you're gonna be able to get a very great view of the side of this, but
this is a live look into me frosting cupcakes as well.
Yes. So I have it all the way at the end there, and then I'm going to start squeezing it from the back side of that little sausage casing, just to where that paint's going to start coming out of the tip, just like that. Boop. Right? And then I'm just going to start piping out little flowers. All right, so there's a couple of different ways that I've done this, and probably look up cake frosting because that's probably way better than anything I can do. I am not a baker. I don't frost cakes all day. I paint. But I have found.
And if you're using heavy body paints, there are a bunch of different types of tips you can use for the frosting bags to get different looks.
Now I will say this reusable frosting bag came with an entire array of different tips, but the little blue spots, oh, that kind of came up, that's okay, I'll still use it. That one's just going to be extra. I can also make some bigger ones, like I'm going to have some flowers, let it go. The acrylic does not like to let go. But that's how I made the little 3-dimensional flowers.